Hi guys, welcome to new video. Don't skip this video because this video is very helpful for you. If someone grab you from the behind, then how to defend yourself. I will teach you two best effective techniques that will be work definitely. So let's start the technique. If someone grab you from the behind like this very tightly, then in this situation first you have to try to free yourself, and at the same time when his grip is a little loose, then you have to grab one of his finger and twist it hard like this, as you can see. Technique number 2, guys, this is also very easy and effective technique. If he grabs you and lift you up, then in this situation when he lift you up, then immediately you have to grab his both ears with your hands and twist it hard, very hard, and push him down like this. So guys, these are two best techniques, very effective techniques. So guys, if you want to learn more interesting videos, then subscribe our channel, share video, and press the bell icon. Thank you.